everyone, it's time for the final part of our lesson, hold a sentence. So I'm going to say a sentence, I'm going to repeat it lots of times, you're going to repeat it with me, and I want you to write it down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, take a picture and upload it underneath this video. So the sentence today is, why are you very strong? Why are you very strong? It's a question sentence. What needs to go at the end? My turn. Why are you very strong? 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 So 5 letters. Can you remember capital letter? Not 5 letters, sorry, 5 words. Capital letter, finger spaces, question mark this time, it's a question sentence. Say it again. Why are you very strong? Why are you very strong? Go and write the sentence down now, upload a picture underneath. One more time, the sentence is, why are you very strong?